If you live in Bengaluru or visiting the city for the first time and have plans to drop by to one of the most finest dining experiences in the city, then watch this video till the end. Hi viewers, I'm Akanksha, and if you have missed being a part of my previous food and travel explorations, do check out the links in the video description. Also hit the like and subscribe button so that you do not miss on to any more videos in future. Surrounded by lush greenery and overlooking Nagavera Lake in Hebbal, Courtyard by Marriott offers luxurious rooms with many lovely views of Hebbal. You can upgrade to a residence-inspired suite with scenic lake views or an executive level room for the access to their exclusive lounge. Once in, you can definitely exercise your power of choice at the hotel that has multiple restaurants serving the wide variety of cuisines. We visited Hebbal Cafe, which is their 24-hour restaurant that focuses on fresh indigenous ingredients, carefully balanced flavors, and simple culinary techniques. But before proceeding for food, we couldn't stop ourselves from capturing few moments for the album of memories. You can come down to this amazing place from Monday through Saturday and enjoy a delicious buffet lunch or dinner between 12:30 to 3 p.m. and at night between 7 to 11 p.m. Hebbal Cafe is well known for its sophistication, value for money, relaxed atmosphere with live music, and the greatest thing over here is their Sunday brunch. Though this place has many positives, it has few areas of improvements as well, which I'll be discussing towards the end of the video. Along with the decent family ambience, another noteworthy mention is their cheese station. If you are a cheese lover, they have an exclusive station with innumerable varieties of cheeses just for you. If you're a fan of fish and chicken fry, you might want to head to their live counters for the same. They also have a nice spread of many salads, feta cheese, and hummus as well. You can indulge in a lot of offerings at their live station, which serves multiple live dishes like pav bhaji, pizzas, pastas, and dosas. You would definitely not like to miss onto the dosas stuffed with multiple cheese options. You can also bite into some puri bhaji or grab some baked beans or baked potatoes on the toast with eggs of your choice paired with a cutting chai. Personally, having an inclination for veg food, I feared that vegetarian options were little limited unless I found few interesting options on the far right zone of the spread. But if you are a non-vegetarian, you don't need to worry at all, as they have a huge spread of non-vegetarian starters to offer. You name a thing and it was there, right from roasted chicken to chicken wings to almond fish to kebabs, veg kebabs, and whatnot. If you're a fish lover, you are definitely gonna have out-of-the-world experience with their mouth-melting fish fries. Their main course also has lot of variations, right from North Indian to South Indian to Chinese. Having eaten good amount of starters and munchies, as I have mentioned before, and given the array of desserts to follow, I couldn't have much of the main course. Having said that, we didn't miss on to the biryanis both from veg and non-veg section. In case you want to have something light, don't shy away from trying the curd rice along with yummy fries available over there. The ambience of this place is so soothing that you can visit along with your family and friends to celebrate any special occasion like birthdays or anniversaries. Once you are done with the main course, the dessert section definitely will bring smile on your face. They have beautifully blended the Western dessert options like red velvet, cafe mocha cake along with the Indian desserts. All dishes were so intense with a lingering sweetness which I absolutely adored. Apart from regular desserts like cakes and sweets, they had malai peda, which was too good and yummy. Ice creams of different flavors and fresh cut fruits definitely add to the long list of desserts that they have over here. Few noteworthy mentions and must try would be cafe mocha cake and honey glazed noodles along with vanilla ice cream. I was really impressed by the desserts options that Courtyard by Marriott had to offer, but for me the catch was appletini. I really couldn't get over the presentation of appletini, and the taste was simply phenomenal. If you already had your lunch and simply want to laze around to enjoy the ambience a little more, you can head towards the beverage section, which has few varieties of snacks and tea and coffee to offer. Moving on to ratings part, this place definitely deserves 5 on 5 in terms of ambience and value for money. The cost for two will come around somewhere 2,500 for two, which makes this place definitely a worth try in a metropolitan city of Bangalore. Having said that, I would rate this place 4 by 5 in terms of food and customer experience if I had to compare this with other 5 stars that I have visited throughout the country. Another major area of improvement is their valet facility. I'm not sure whether it was because of COVID, but I was little surprised to see the self-parking mandate in a 5-star. Overall, if I had to sum up this place, I would say that in spite of minor drawbacks, this place is a real value for money. The service at this place is top-notch and they will make sure that they are taking care of their guests properly. We would be even more happier if we wouldn't have to walk all the way to get our car from the parking. A valet would definitely add on to the delight factor. If you like the video and you are planning to visit it in future, do let me know in the comment section below. Do hit the like and subscribe button just below the video in order to not miss on to any such videos in future.